Got myself a car. I got myself a car. You brought me a car. Got my camera.
Yeah.
And look at my car. Look at my car.
Babe's wrong.
How the fuck am I gonna drive?
I don't think you can sit in here, darling. Yeah.
Oh, I'm fucking nervous. Fucking nervous I am. I'm fucking nervous. Fucking adrenaline. Fucking handshakes. Fucking handshakes. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck, you know.
Oh.
That was tight.
Oh. What is tight? Car?
But who the fuck was sitting here, man? I can't see shit. Where the fuck am I going? Hey, take the wheel! Take the fucking wheel! Fuck the still fucking car! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Really, really cold. Boom, chiki, boom. Boom, chiki, boom. Chiki, chiki, boom, chiki, 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 boom. We're fucking running. I'll add this to my video. Let's go for a drink. Babe, I dare you to drink here while the flames on.
Yeah, go ahead. Come on. Vinning pee.
We have no idea where we're going. We have to take a couple of pictures here.
Some
Look
of
at
the
that.
movies usually they're
Ta-dum.
taken in the places they don't.
Ta-dum. Ta-dum.
You want to go up there back and have cigarettes?
Yeah, I'm thinking what would happen if I went in there. I'm going in there. Am I gonna come out alive? Am I gonna meet some monsters? But you know, the movies where basically tourists go into some cave and then something happens, then they can never get out. Yeah. Still walking on the ground. Oh, yo, I think we're in the Spanish ghetto. We went into, I don't even know what the hell we are, but it looks like the Spanish ghetto, Spanish council blocks, Spanish back alleyways. There's no more glamour, none of that, everything just seems ghetto.
And the
Hasta la vista.
Hasta la próxima, mi amor. Eso es amor sin dolor.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista, mi amor.
J'étais livreur de pizza près de l'hacienda où la chica du nom d'Esmeralda faisait la fiesta. Comme par hasard elle me commande une pan chorizo. J'ai compris le complot quando la fille me dit te quiero. Amigo, dans le barrio on se pavane et sexe 6 jours sur 7 et qui n'a pas de prise de tête. Mais ça n'a pas plu à certains pistoleros. Un garor tel Valera devrait être de Villero. Expulsé de la ville, tel un sans-pape. Seul, sans barillet, isolé, tel un gâteau sans pape. Quand je pense à toi Rachel, Esmeralda, j'en ai la gorge serrée mais bon, j'ai des valdas.
This is real, as real as it gets.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta la próxima, mi amor. Eso es amor sin dolor.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta
from which the fire mountains resulted. On the 1st of September, in the year 1730, the up to that date most fertile lowlands of the island were struck by a tremendous nature. Will give you impressive demonstrations of the intense heat of the earth just below the surface. First by giving you a try of the hot lava, then by throwing up zu Vulkankegel geworfen, entzündet sich sofort, da die Temperatur ca. 250 Grad beträgt. Schüttet man Wasser in ein 10
We are taking a tour around the volcanoes. So
Sit there by the heat.
Evan.
fucking hell. That scared the daylights out of me.
Result of the accumulation of material from repeated eruptions. The area of Timanfaya caused panic among the population of the interior, who fled seeking refuge in Tegiza and Arrecife. The eruption at 10 o'clock in the evening, the ground suddenly opened up near Timanfaya, 2 leagues from Yaitsa. During the first night, this signaled the beginning of the most important period of volcanic activity in the history of the Canary Islands.
We've just arrived at Playa Blanca, Señoritas. What's up, guys? You alright there, Black? Hey, buddy. Darling, this is the stuff we're gonna steal before we go to London. Lanzarote, fucking Hashman. Fucking Hashman. We're about to jump on and go to another island. We just arrived at Fuerteventura Island. This is the port. What an apron. Should I get this for Blair, babe? Look. It's like, Blair, I got you a new apron, mate. Yeah.
look at this beach or this.
Somewhere in Fuerteventura, cabrón. Fuerteventura ese. Souvenir shop, and I just found exactly what I like. Look at that. Look at this cigar. Fuerteventura. That's a cigar. That's a gangster cig.
Why is this singing?
Me gusta mi guitarra. Me gusta something.
You getting embarrassed already or not yet? Not yet. Okay. Yeah.
It's a big souvenir shop that we went into. There's all sorts of crap on the wall. Just gonna choose some gifts for London. Right, let's go. Yeah. Huh?
I'm bad. I'm bad. I'm bad. I'm bad. I'm a bad ass. I'm a bad ass. I'm a bad ass. I'm a bad. I'm a bad.